Hello, welcome to this overview of BIZNWEB accounting software. In this video, we'll be showcasing the features and functionalities that make our software the perfect solution for managing your finances. So this is our login page of our accounting software. You can easily log in your account by entering login ID and password. Once you log into your account, you will see the dashboard of our software. You will see some shortcuts buttons of New Estimate, New Invoices, View Estimate and Invoices, Sales, Purchases, Payment, Receipts, Available Stock and Others option. In downside you have the menu of Stock Alert where you can track your stock. Next to that you have the Payment Alert menu where you can track of your payments. In the right sidebar you have the Daily Sales menu where you can see your daily sales. In the upside bar you have the purchase list where you can add new purchases by filling their details like name of supplier, bill no, etc. Then you have purchase return option where you can return your purchases. Then you have the option to add supplier and you can also view other things like view purchases return, purchases order and view order options. In the next you have the sales list where you can generate your new invoices by adding customer full name and contact number and other details. You can also create new estimates on it. Then you have the option to view your invoices, estimates and sales. You also view your sales return and sales info by on it. Then you have the option of stock where you can add your products by clicking on new stock. You can also see your available stock, sold stock and stock reports. And other item details also. Then you have the GL option where you have receipts, payments, ledger, debtors, creditors, cash book, bank book, transfer cash, bank entries, debit note, view credit and debit note and trading and P&L account. Then you have the customer section where you can view your existing customer. You can also add new customer by adding their details like name, address, contact number and GST in number. Then you have some option in the up right section of reports, profile and logout. In the profile section you can edit your personal information like username, company name, office address, city, mobile number and your account password.